All right, so as you may have guessed, groundwater is simply water that is stored in the ground as opposed to flowing over the surface of the earth. It gets there by several means. We talked last chapter about percolation of water through the hydrologic cycle, and that is a very significant way that water enters the groundwater system through rain and then dripping through the soil. Any substance in the ground that can hold and store groundwater or really any other type of fluid is called an aquifer. So an aquifer ranges through materials of just about every type, but some aquifers are more efficient and better at storing material than storing water than other material. You can see in this first little figure there that water is stored in pore spaces in between grains. So this can be a picture of either a sedimentary rock, like a conglomerate or sandstone, or maybe it can just be unconsolidated sediment like gravel. Also, we can have an aquifer in the form of fractures. If you look down in the bottom left, you see a granite that has a fracture running through it, and water can flow through it. So even though we don't have a tremendous amount of water that's able to be stored in that fracture, it still transmits and stores water and is therefore an aquifer. So let's take a look at some of the properties that make some aquifers better than others.